OpenAI's new tool just changed YouTube forever. It's called Sora, and it's not just a tool. It's a revolution. Imagine typing a sentence and watching a movie unfold. A full video, created entirely from text. No camera, no crew, no actors. Just imagination and AI. Welcome to the future of content creation. Welcome to Sora. In today's video, we're diving deep into OpenAI's Sora, and why it's a total game changer for YouTube creators. We'll show you how it works, what it means for monetization, and how you can use it right now to create videos that were impossible yesterday. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Sora? Sora is OpenAI's most advanced AI video model. It takes a simple prompt, like a cat flying through space, and turns it into a fully generated video. We're talking realistic motion, lighting, and even cinematic camera angles. It's not just a fancy filter, it's full synthetic filmmaking. And the results? They're jaw-dropping. Visuals cue, demo AI generated clips. Just look at this. This scene was never filmed. It never happened. But it feels real. And that's the power of Sora. So how does it work? Sora uses deep learning techniques, trained on millions of video samples. It understands movement, context, continuity, all from your words. You don't need editing skills. You don't need a scriptwriter. You just need an idea. And Sora brings it to life. Now, let's talk about why this matters for YouTubers. Traditionally, making videos was hard. You needed gear, time, and money. And even then, it was hard to stand out. But with Sora, all of that changes. Sora opens the door for solo creators to make Hollywood-level content. Science fiction? Easy. Documentaries? Done. Educational content? In minutes. Vlogs with dreamlike animations? No problem. The limits of production? Gone. Visual cue, split-screen reel versus Sora footage. Here's a real-life scene. Now here's one made by Sora. Can you tell the difference? Most people can't. But this goes beyond visuals. Sora changes the economics of YouTube. Let's break that down. With AI-generated videos, your production costs drop to nearly zero. That means higher profit margins on every video. You can create more content, more often. And you can target more niches, faster. Want to launch a history channel? Done in a weekend. How about a sci-fi short film series? Go for it. With Sora, you're no longer a creator. You're a studio. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Will this replace filmmakers? Not quite. Sora is a tool, not a storyteller. The human mind still drives the ideas. And those ideas are more valuable than ever. Think of Sora as your production team, on demand. So how can you use this today? While Sora isn't public yet, you can prepare by using other AI tools. Pictory AI, Runway, and similar platforms offer video from text features now. Combine them with ChatGPT for scripting. 11 Labs for voiceovers. And you're already halfway to a Sora-powered channel. Q. Demo a full video made with current AI tools. This video you're watching? 90% of it was made with AI. Voice? AI. Script? AI assisted. Visuals? AI stock or generated. That's the power of stacking AI tools. Now imagine adding Sora into that stack. Realistic characters. Photoreal environments. Dynamic scenes. All made with a prompt. YouTube will never be the same. So what does this mean for monetization? More content means more chances to rank. AI lets you produce daily videos across multiple channels. You can niche down hard, and still scale wide. Make 10 faceless channels. Each in a different genre. Sora makes it possible. Even sponsorships evolve. Brands will pay for AI-integrated content. Custom-generated scenes. Storylines tied to product placements. Welcome to next-gen influencer marketing. And what about courses? You can use AI to create an entire visual course in days. Build tutorials with animations. Use Sora for lecture-style videos with virtual instructors. Or dramatize lessons with storytelling. It's powerful and scalable. So, where does this lead us? To a world where creators have infinite potential. A single person can build an empire of channels. You don't need investors. You don't need staff. You just need creativity. And the right tools. Let's take a quick case study. Meet Jake. He started a sci-fi YouTube channel with no camera and no budget. Just AI tools and big ideas. In 3 months, he gained 100k subs. Why? Because the stories felt cinematic. And the visuals? Powered by AI. Jake isn't alone. Thousands of creators are catching on. Are you? Let's zoom out. What does this mean for the future of YouTube? Expect more niche channels. Expect more virtual creators. Expect viral content created by people you've never seen. And it's just getting started. But let's not ignore the challenges. There are ethical concerns. Deepfakes. Disinformation. And questions of originality. But every tool brings risks. And every revolution needs responsibility. Sora is powerful, but how we use it matters more. So what can you do now? Start exploring AI video tools. Learn to prompt effectively. Build a content strategy that includes synthetic media. Practice storytelling, it's still the #1 skill. And get ready. Because the future belongs to creators who adapt. Let's recap the key takeaways. OpenAI's Sora generates high-quality video from text. It empowers solo creators to produce like studios. It drastically cuts costs and time. It's not out yet, but it's coming fast. You can prepare by using Pictory, Runway, and ChatGPT. Monetization opportunities are massive, if you move fast. And the biggest advantage? Early adopters will win big. Still wondering if AI is worth it? Let me ask you this, what if Pixar started from a laptop? What if Netflix was built by one person? That's what's happening, right now. This is the YouTube AI gold rush. And Sora is the pickaxe. Want to build your AI-powered channel? Check the links in the description for free resources. We've got tools, prompt guides, and a free course to get you started. No fluff. Just action. Plus, we're offering a full AI Creator Starter Kit, download it below. Templates, voiceover scripts, and recommended tools. Everything you need to launch an AI-first YouTube channel today. And if you want personalized help? Join our Creator Mastermind. Weekly calls, prompt workshops, and real-time feedback on your AI content. The link's in the description. Before we wrap up, one more thing. You don't need to be technical. You just need to start. The tools are ready. The time is now. And the future? It's yours to create. Thanks for watching. If this inspired you, hit the like button. Drop a comment with your favorite AI tool. Or share what you plan to create with Sora. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. This is your channel name. Empowering creators with AI. One video at a time. Optional outro sequence with voice. Sora is here. And YouTube will never be the same. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep building.